The 21st and Main Pre-Seasoned Wok is a great pan for your kitchen. It is made of lightweight cast iron. This makes it easy to lift and move around. The 11-inch size is perfect for cooking meals. You can make Chinese, Japanese, and other dishes. The wooden handle stays cool, so you don't have to worry about burning your hand. This 21st and Main Pre-Seasoned Wok comes ready to use. It has a non-stick surface. Food won't stick easily while you cook. Cleaning is also simple. Just wipe it down after you are done. This chef's pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly. You can stir-fry vegetables and meat. You can also make delicious sauces. This wok is a versatile tool for any home cook. The 21st and Main Pre-Seasoned Wok is also very durable. Cast iron lasts for a long time. It can handle high heat. This wok is a great addition to your cooking supplies. It is not too heavy, and it is easy to store. You won't have any worry about it rusting. This wok will help you create many tasty meals. It is a fantastic value for its price. Pros: 21st and Main, stir-fry pan, wooden handle 11-inch, lightweight, cast iron, chef's pan. Pre-seasoned, non-stick, Chinese cooking, Japanese cooking, other cooking cons. Wooden handle, can't put in oven, might burn handle, cast iron, heavy, slow to heat, needs. Seasoning, can rust, uneven heating, hard to maneuver features. 21st and Main Wok, stir-fry pan, wooden handle 11-inch, lightweight, cast iron, chef's pan. Pre-seasoned, non-stick, Chinese cooking. This 11-inch lightweight cast iron wok from 21st and Main is designed for stir-frying Chinese and Japanese food. It has a wooden handle for a good grip and comes pre-seasoned, so it's non-stick and ready to use. This chef's pan is made for easy cooking. This 11-inch wok from 21st and Main is made of lightweight cast iron with a wooden handle. It comes pre-seasoned for a non-stick surface, making it ready for Chinese, Japanese, and other types of cooking. The flat bottom helps it sit steady on the stove. Remember, because of the wooden handle, you should not put this wok in the oven as it could burn.